A private luxury train owned by YAZOSVIKA of South Africa, headed to Victoria Falls and carrying 47 international tourists, collided with a goods train owned by the Beitbridge Bulawayo Railway (BBR) service outside Gwanda earlier today. Sandapinda mashoko ari mudaitwa panapa ava nevakomana vana hopo chikono vachiti aiwa shuya kunyatsokuona Zimbabwe 845 yamaitaura iyaya. Will subscribe or like on the bell out tipina panapa zvizere mubudanya kwamuchenzi. I've been repeatedly saying on this page that Zimbabwe's rail system has become a death trap after years without maintenance due to corruption, incompetence, and mnangagwa's clueless in running a country. The injured have been taken to hospital where they are likely to come face to face with a dilapidated healthcare service and the nightmare that Zimbabweans face daily in the country's hospitals due to corruption. Sadly, Emmerson Mnangagwa has fulfilled Ian Smith's prediction that under ZANU-PF, trains will kill people until they are abandoned as an unusable mode of transport. How sad and how true, because Zimbabwe no longer has a regular passenger train service due to corruption and incompetence. The collision between the Ravos Rail luxury train and the BBR goods train serves as a stark reminder of the deteriorating state of the country's rail system. The lack of maintenance and investment in infrastructure due to corruption and incompetence has turned what was once a reliable mode of transport into a death trap. Zimbabwe's rail service is run by mostly unqualified cadets from ZANU-PF. The board for the railway company is chaired by ZANU-PF politician Mike Madiro. Rovos rail luxury trains, which are based in Pretoria, are renowned for offering some of the most opulent train journeys across southern Africa. Sadly, their train met a dilapidated and dangerous rail system in Zimbabwe. Tomash Kwamda Panapachi report to Iowa, Zimbabwe, Pachirine Basa. To them of Muro Amo to give us a page to comment section. So subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.